Let's show you the Hyprland setup that we have created. So we've got now not 13 but 14 desktops, Hyprland being the new guy, Wayland guy. I stopped using anything Hyprland or Wayland related a year ago, and I must say I'm amazed how everything fits together these days, right? That means, yes, I have installed all desktop styling window managers and Hyprland on one system, and they can coexist. This selection, right? No idea how DWL, Neri, Wayfire, Sway will react on each other, right? But Claude says they can't conflict. We'll see. We'll see. Anyway, here it comes. Hyprland. First of all, you get your ISO from SourceForge. This is the version. First monthly release. And then immediately we go in holiday. It's typical for Belgian guys, right? July and August is a slow time. It's family time, it's holiday time. And in September, we'll release a next ISO. And then it's a monthly routine. The thing is, we have this great application, and we have several great applications. All right, these are all our applications put together in a nice little menu here. And it's the ArchLinux Tweak Tool we need to get to. We need to become sudo because we are going to install Hyprland. Two things. We have a desktop. There's the X11 things, although Plasma and GNOME are also Wayland things, right? And so we've named this one desktop and this one really Wayland, right? So, because these are all the tiling window managers. You see what we intend to do, we'll see, right? Neri is probably next up, or maybe Wayfire. But Hyprland is here a click away. Install selected. Enter the button. Wait for it to happen. Now you have Hyprland, right? Quit ATT, quit this, log out, log in. Welcome to Hyprland. It's this simple, right? We've kept it clean and keep it simple and stupid, right? Remember, design-wise, it's nice, but no, we're gonna keep it very simple indeed. That's the topic of the video. More for later if we're gonna talk about Hyprland. The only thing I need to let you know, and it applies to all things out there, is Ctrl+Super+S. Ctrl+Super+S is another application we've made that's not in the list, right? That is showing you anything you need to know about key bindings. What we did do, if you're not into all this, well, intuitive and beautiful system where you can even search for Firefox, okay, that's Ctrl+Alt+F, but you rather want it on HTML or on paper, then you can do so, right? There is a button that says PDF this thing, generating PDF, or there it is, print it out, put it next to your system, and voila, or generate me the HTML page, and you see where it's written. Of course, it's written inside Hyper. So this is where your system lives. This is what you need to learn. If you're going to learn about a tiling window manager, if it's Wayland or X11, doesn't matter. You need to learn how it works. And a lot of key bindings, well, that's just typical about tiling window managers. All right. And then getting out probably. So an escape closes this one. A Super+X is our ArchLinux logout system. If you don't know yet the key bindings, you just wait a little bit. It will show you the text that it's a Q or an S shutdown and all that. So there are key combos again, right, to get from A to B. So that's our Hyprland. And don't forget, we have more things. We have XFCE and OMA WM up there as well. Enjoy Hyprland. More videos will follow surely how it works, but basically it's a self-study. There are so many videos about Hyprland already. The only thing is, it's now a Lua configuration. But do not let that hold you back, right? Learn about Lua and the Hyprland configuration file. Cheers.